So, good afternoon guys. So, welcome to my channel once again and don't forget to subscribe. So, atong buhaton karon mabuhat because I'm too bored and wa ko ginabuhat diri kaayo sa balay after my webinar and because I'm doing a work from home. I'll be doing something very relevant, especially right now na uban sa tuwa dili makagwa sa balay, especially our kids. So instead of like they're gonna do ML or magdula sa lang cellphone or silang gadgets or kung wala man sa klase, diba? This mga basic paper origami nakalimot na sila I mean like many of them don't know how to do it. So let me teach you the step by step on how to do it. So right now we'll be doing a paper origami which is a paper boat and a paper airplane. So I hope you guys are ready. So kini we need at least one sheet of paper. Pwede lang scratch yung gamiton para mas tipid. And pwede lang any size will do actually. But I prefer using a short band paper right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it crosswise. So make sure nga kung mo-fold mo crosswise, sakto siya pagka-fold, no? Sakto siya pagka-fold dire. Like when you see kanang tanawin niyo, when you see this sheet, kanang pantay silang duha, okay? So after that, we do it like this. So we'll be making a triangle ngayon ana siya. So dapat mag-form siya o ingon ani. So dapat mag-form siya ingon ani. So we'll be making a triangle. Para mas nice inyong kwan, we'll make a reference line para di mo masaag sa triangle ninyong buhaton, and we're gonna do it like this. So we fold it like that. And this. Alright, this is our form number 2. Kita nimo, the front side and the back side. So, ang front, nakatubang gyapon sa imuha. You're gonna fold it na etong sa ibaba. Okay? I-fold natin yung ibaba nga side. Alright. So, after folding this one, so atong i-fold ng isa, i-fold na to siya pagwas. So, fold it towards the back portion. And after it, this part, you fold it pasulod diri sa atong sa side sa atong triangle. So, look at this. I-fold nimo siya pasulod ng isa. And after that, the other one. Alright. Now, you should have like this. One in front. Ito ganiya. This is the back. Alright. The front. Na siya happy. And this is the back. Okay. After that, we're gonna fold it. Ito siyang abrihan. So, kanito, ganito siya. So, let's open it up. After we open it up, we close it na mag-form siya og diamond. Okay. So, after na ma-form mo diamond, atuha na siyang i-fold na pod. Okay. So, choose the side kung asan yung opening and we're gonna fold a triangle here. Oh. So, ara na. So, na-fold na to ang triangle. So you should have like this. So kanina from like this to like this, okay? After that, we're gonna open it again. Okay? And you have formed a diamond na. So diamond na po. After we have formed a diamond, you open the two opening here and eventually you will have a boat. Alright, so we'll have a boat. So when you want to play it in the water, sa pail, so you have like this. So you can draw something like this. Diri sa part na ni, so you can draw. Lagyan mo ng MV Bugoy. Alright. MV Bugoy. That's my name. Okay, so we have our boat na. Okay, so ito ipadap niya itong boat. So this is our boat. And actually, there's a lot of hack. Pwede mo siya buhaton og itong bata pa may among tawag gani kay basurahan. So pwede mo siya buhaton og basurahan. How to do it? Later na lang itudlo. We're gonna do the airplane first. Now, in the airplane, kung ganina crosswise sa atong boat, we'll do the lengthwise na hati sa atong airplane. Okay? So, did it? Sakto. And after that, ato siyang i-fold sa tunga ani. Okay, we'll make a triangle. So, buhat ang triangle. So, look at this. This is the front and this is the back. Okay? facing the front pa lang gihapon, you turn the triangle. Okay? After i-turn ang triangle, pasulod. Human. But make sure when you turn it, na ay gamay nga space sa taas, hindi mo siya isagad diri. So, you see this one, na siya space diri, kasi gipasobrahan nako siya og fold. Okay? So, dapat yung ani iyang gawas, you have a side here na straight, na dili siya kuan sagad sa corner sa triangle. Okay. Then, after that, we're gonna fold this one. You fold this. Okay. So, we already folded. Look at this. We already folded. And after that, ato ang i-fold ang kanina adere. Tingin triangle adere. Okay? So, we have already folded ang kanina adere. And, we're gonna do, after ana, okay? Na-follow ninyo. So, after we have folded, na sobrang agamay nga murag dila-dila, we're gonna fold this one. Okay? So, after we have folded that one, ato na siyang i-fold pa niya ani pasulod. Okay. And after that, we're gonna fold it because this is the basic airplane na itong gibuhat. Usually, ang iyang pakpak ani kay we're gonna do it like this. So, ang pag-fold nimo, make sure nga kani siya nga side is magtapan siya diri sa side nato sa bottom. Sorry. Make sure na mag-bottom siya ay mag-side magkuha siya sa bottom diri sa bottom ani. So parehas sila og kuan o tawag na fold. So such that nga pag fold nimo siya nga one piece na siya, ang mahitabo kay you see a straight line lang diri, way nagsobra. Pare-pareha sila og hilo. Okay. So after that, we're gonna open it and charan! We have our airplane already. So pwede ta mabutan diri og nato og Bugoy Airlines. So you could put your name on it, pwede niyo sulatan para mas naay mas lingaw. Bugoy Airlines. Alright. So we're done with our airplane. See? That's so basic. So, pwede nyo ma-enjoy sa inyong mga bata, pwede nyo ma-enjoy sa inyong balay, or pwede nyo mabuhatin nyo biskan sa balay ra, nga ka nang maglingaw-lingaw mo, magtawagan na, mag-fly mo. Alright. So, this is my airplane, and this is the boat na atong gibuhat. Diba? Nice? Okay. You can actually use ka ng mas baga nga papel, or you can use pod mga tawagan na, you can use pod mga newspapers, mga scratch papers para mas tipid at di kay gasto. And you can put some drawings, you can put some crayons or pentel pen on it. So tomorrow tudluan pa ta mo og mga uban pa na mga basic origami. So I just know the basic of this paper. So paper arts. So tudluan pa ta mo og mga basic na mga paper arts. Okay? So for now, this is our boat and this is our airplane. Tomorrow akong itudlo ugma ang uban nga tawagan na ang uban nga mga paper origami nga mga basic ra kaayo na everyone can follow, and you know kids can follow it na pwede lang buhaton nga malingaw sila, diba? Kasi naman sa playing outside because of the COVID-19 pandemic, diba? So follow my video and please subscribe to my channel para ma-notify mo kung naapay next nga mga video nga para sa ani. Okay, see you. Bye.